Bob is picking me up. He said he is about 1 minute away. Let's see how reliable that time estimate is. I'm leaving the boys' house now. Super grateful that they let me stay the night. Shout out to Leo, Mink, and Bart. And I think I should see Bob Amelia rolling up any minute. As a matter of fact, there he is, ladies and gentlemen. You're just gonna go in front of that car like that? Ladies and gentlemen, we have Bob Amelia here. He is a legend in his own time era. And that time era is now, by the way. Alright, Bob. Alright, Bob just dropped me off at the airport in Philadelphia right now. I have a long layover, so I will see you back in California. My ankle's broken still. It's not in the cast anymore because I'm recovering it, but I need I'll go start to get up there. Over here. Okay, just got into Cali and it is 1 a.m. I literally had the biggest delay due to a thunderstorm. Now I am trying to get either a room or a ticket voucher because my ride obviously didn't stay for me. So let's see if we can get a hold of them. Here, they're not answering. Hello, come in. I need someone at customer service. Yo, I need to talk to somebody here. Nobody was here.
I'll be there in 5 minutes. I just finished it pretty quick now.
Copy that. So was I talking to you on the walkie? I know that like weather permitting, like circumstances come up. Basically there was other things besides the weather that made my flight extra delayed. I have a broken ankle. My ride must have been here and left already. My phone was dead. And I'm just trying to either get like a voucher for like a room so I can figure out my ride for tomorrow, or just get like a ride for home or something like that, like a way home. There was like thunderstorms that were like kind of like a little bit of an issue, but then there was like also this problem where okay, I am still going strong. I haven't slept in so long, I can't even remember. I'm delusional right now. I am going to throw yesterday's intro / whole day into this day because of the fact that it was just brutal waiting around, getting a layover, getting delayed. I didn't get in till 1 a.m. It was just brutal. I haven't slept yet other than like dozing off at like little sessions trying to edit and upload, but waiting on Casey. He took my shoes and I got his coffee, so hopefully he'll be out soon, and then we're gonna get on to some great adventures for the day. We are down here in, I don't know where we are exactly, but we are gonna go boys down here, and we are out here in paradise, you know, another day, another dream, and we're just keep living it one day at a time. Here we go. Okay, the waves were not as we planned them to be. You know, we're always still out here having the best time we could possibly have. And if there's one thing we try to do